Hi everyone, today we are going to see how to generate subtitle in your YouTube video like this.
To install WordPress locally. Normally, if want to build WordPress site, you would need to buy domain and hosting.
So after watching this video, you will be able to add subtitle to any video like this. So let's get started. I'm 𝗙𝗵𝗁 from 𝗙𝗳𝗵𝘁. We are going to do 3 steps. The first step is to install a software called descript on your computer. This is the software which is going to help us to create a subtitle for our video. So to install descript, just click the link below in this video. Okay guys, as soon as you click sign up, your descript account will be created. And descript will be downloaded on your computer. After finishing your download, click install. Now to install this on your computer, just click on it. As you can see, descript is being installed on your computer. Once it's done, you will get a new window like this. So this means you have successfully installed descript. Now click sign in. Once you have installed descript, let's go to the second step, which is to upload your video to descript. Once you upload your video, descript will automatically generate subtitle for your video. So to upload it, let's click sign in and you will get this message. Now click open descript and you will get this page in descript software. Here you can select your any option you want. I am going to select this and click continue. Now here, as we are going to create subtitle, just select transcription and click continue. And you will reach this page. This means you have signed into your descript account. Click start a new project. Now give a name for your project. I am going to enter video subtitle and then click create project. Okay. Now to upload your video, all you have to do this, just drag this video for which you want to these subtitles and drop it here. Now if you click done, your video will be uploaded and here you can see that we have automatically got the text for our subtitle. Now this is the text which you generated for our video. So if you click play here, you can listen into the audio and text created for it here. Now you can check if the text here are correct. If any word is wrong, you can edit it. Just select the word and then click correct. Now here you can enter the right word you want, okay, and then click correct and the word will be changed. In the same way, you can correct any word here. Once you are done editing the text, you can go to the next step, which is save your subtitle. Once you save the subtitle, you will be able to add your video. So to save it, all you have to do this, click share and it will show the pop-up window. Now select export here and you will get this option. Now select the subtitle, then click export. Choose your folder. Now click save and the subtitle will be saved. Now to see the file, just click open here and you can see we have got the subtitle file. So now we have successfully created the subtitle file for our YouTube video. Next, let's say how we can add the subtitle to your video. Let's say you are using a video play. Now to add the subtitle, all you need to just drag and drop the subtitle file to your video and the subtitle will be added. This is the bonus tricks. You also add any types of software. The subtitle is automatically synced with your video. Okay. Let's say you have added your video on YouTube and you want to add subtitle on your YouTube video. You can do that. So now let's see how we can add your subtitle to a YouTube video. To do that, let's go to YouTube. Now make sure you have logged into your YouTube channel and then go to content. And then click this icon. Here you can see we have got the subtitle option. So let's select it. Now to add the subtitle, just click add. And then click upload file and click continue. Now select the subtitle file which we saved earlier. And click open. Now to complete adding the subtitle, just click publish and the subtitle will be successfully added to your video. So to check that, let's view our video by clicking here. Now as you can see, our subtitle is successfully added to our video. Okay, so that's it guys. This is how you can add subtitle to your YouTube video.
If you like the video, I think you will also like my video on how to create a free website and also a full playlist of my other video. And of course, if you find this useful to you, feel free to subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.